On the record in cause number 324442, State of Texas versus Glenn William Fink. We have Mr. Fink present, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Fink?
Pretty good.
All right, and Mr. Fink is present with his attorney, Mr. Jack Lawrence. Okay, Mr. Lawrence, you have an announcement on this case?
I thought we did, Your Honor. I thought we had a plea agreement. I had received an email from either Shayla.
Your Honor, that is inaccurate. I have spoken to Ms. Musgrove, and there is no email saying that he would get credit for time served. Mr. Lawrence had emailed Shaylin, but he never specified what case he was talking about. And in the email chain, he asked her she asked him what cases he was talking about, and he never clarified. And there's never been an offer of credit for time served in this case from the state.
Let me do this. So right now, in this case, y'all have not reached a plea bargain agreement. Is that correct?
I think the email may have come from Ashley Ramos. When I talked to her just now, I was thinking it was Shaylin Musgrove, but it was either Ashley Ramos or Shaylin Musgrove. Is that Ashley?
Ashley was talking, yes.
Okay. But anyway, the email said she would probably give Mr. Fink credit for time served.
Mr. Lawrence.
I had asked if she had seen our motion on file in the case, which has all his jail time at Jefferson County. And he did, let me explain just briefly. He did 13 and a half months in Jefferson County, and all the felony charges that have the same arrest date as this have been dismissed. So the time credit goes to this.
Okay, let me do this. Now, Mr. Lawrence, y'all don't have an agreement right now because both parties have to agree. And so what I can do is reset your case to give you time to complete your negotiation.
Yes, and I would request that you read our motion.
Okay, you'd like to set that for a hearing?
Yes, it'd be the best thing to do would be to set the motion for a hearing.
Okay.
And if you don't mind, Your Honor, I will brief the motion.
Okay, well, that's fine. We'll give you a hearing date. We'll set it for a hearing.
Yes, set the motion for a hearing. That would be great.
Okay, and in the meantime, y'all still can negotiate.
For sure, certainly,
Okay,
Your Honor.
okay. How much time do you need? I mean, 30 days, 45, 60?
How much time would be good for me to get I need to do a brief.
I mean, the more the better for me because I have to.
What about?
Your Honor, I don't think a brief is going to change his motion. It's clear in the motion what he's asking. I don't know if it's necessary to add more filings.
Well, I mean, that's up to him if he wants to do that. Okay, so what about 60 days?
That'd be fine, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll reset it for 60.
Good.
All right, you can get your reset. You and your client is free to go.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Lawrence,